come in?
Are you obviously?
Oh, nice view.
What view do you have?
I can look into other people's rooms. Not pretty. You're from Delhi, right?
Yeah. The Rannas have made life miserable these past few weeks.
Miserable?
Busy fasting and all, the roads were clogged. There's nothing on TV except the guy's face.
But you do agree with him, right?
He's obviously right about corruption, and he's smart because everyone's already pissed at the government. But this blackmailing business is damn irritating.
But you know, nothing gets done in India. At least like this time around, we're not sitting in AC rooms and discussing, but we're actually out doing something.
Akshay, change topic. So, do you have a boyfriend in Chandigarh?
I'm from Patna. Mayank is from Chandigarh.
So do you?
No.
Why you're not ugly or anything?
Wow, thanks.
Don't mention it. Where's the library?
I'll take either bus from the bus stop halfway into the route.
Akshay, tell me about the cute guy from Chandigarh.
Mayank, you think he's cute?
He makes me laugh.
I don't know much about him except that he was really funny at the ragging.
Ragging? Shit man, मेरी miss हो गई.
No, you didn't miss much. Seniors are boring, है ना?
Still dude, must have been fun.
Not for me.
Why not?
I don't like such things.
Why? Acha, never mind. Tell me what Mayank did.
Oh, he was
Okay, wait. I'll ask him myself. Acha, then see you later.
ये सही है निकाल रही है
No, dude, not what I meant.
नहीं I was just joking relax चल I'll see you later then I don't have your number
Facebook कर देना.
oh, okay.
How can you not have talked to a single professor? You've been there for a week now. How are you going to navigate the system like this?
I don't need to navigate the system, Dad.
At this rate, your mother and I will have to keep working to support you until we die. What's distracting you?
Dad, it's not distraction. It's just that people don't talk to lecturers much in the first week.
Why?
Because it was all administrative details, Dad. The coursework hasn't started yet.
Fine.
I'm not lying.
I didn't say you were.
How's Mom?
She's fine. So is everyone else. Okay? Just focus on what we sent you there for.
Yes, Dad.
What else have you been up to?
Nothing much.
Beta, what do you mean by nothing much? Why are
Dad,
you focusing?
What's wrong?
Show me your room.
No, Dad.
I want to see your room. Just
Dad, my room is private. How many times have I told you?
Acha, theek hai. I have to go. Take care of your health.
लाखों ने कभी भी पत्थर नहीं।
बेकार है यार ये।
This one's good, Gauri.
It's nice. That cheap shit I bought last weekend was crap.
I like that one यार. This one is so bloody tasteless. Wine में ना मतलब there should be a kick.
Bad choice.
Hey Jacob, what do you want to do?
Masturbate.
I mean in life, yeah.
Let me think. Masturbate.
अरे seriously बता ना.
Answer the lady, asshole.
I don't know, man. Don't irritate.
दारू पियो ते ऐश करो. रोटी दा कुत्तियां नु भी मिल जांदी है.
Jacob, what?
My dad's got a beer factory back home. Before I came here, he even showed me my future office. There's a place on the wall for my degree also. Bachelor of Mechanical Engineering with honors.
सही है.
Beer factory. So your dad drinks a lot, huh?
No, he doesn't even touch it actually.
Oh, mine neither.
My dad drinks every single day, whiskey after whiskey. It's so disgusting.
Same here, man. My family loves drinking. But it's not disgusting, yaar. My dad is damn funny when he's high.
Like how?
Like the time before we had to board the plane here, he got high और आधे नशे में आगे कहते हैं, मयंक पुत्र, चंगी तरह पढ़ाई करी है, तो साडा ना रोशन कर देता है.
Naam Roshan?
यार, I'm the first one in the family to go abroad ना. Big deal.
Shit. Jacob, कल का tutorial किया?
Who gives a shit, man?
The tutorials are graded, you know.
Yep.
So don't you have to keep your cap up or something?
No.
यार, I thought you were on CNR.
I'm on DEF. Daddy's Education Fund.
So you don't even have tuition grant?
No, no bond at all. After college, straight back home.
Yeah, but it's still important to study, right?
For what?
Okay, maybe not for you, but we have to get good jobs later on, right?
This wine is bloody tasteless, यार.
चुप कर यार. और तुम सुनो. Even at ragging, the same thing was going on. पढ़ लो, कैप अच्छी ले आओ. वरना ये वियतनामीज और चाइनीज तुम्हारी गांड मार लेंगे. And I was thinking to myself, I don't have to worry about marks or grades or anything. I have my company back home. So good luck to all you assholes.
Forget cap, but you'll do something, right?
Why do I have to do something? I'm just going to chill the fuck out.
Yeah, whatever, dude.
What?
Some of us want to actually do something with our lives.
What are you going to do? Earn money? Get rich? Then what? Look at me, dude. I'm rich. It's no different.
Yeah, but you've got to have some ambition, some passion, something you really want to do.
I'm really passionate about masturbating.
Oh, please shut up. Why did you come to university?
हाँ यार, यहाँ तो देसी बाबा भी बैंड है.
To study, yeah?
For what?
For what, matlab? Just to study?
यार, 3 idiots बना दिया भैंसो.
So what about in 12th grade? How did you get a bloody 98.2%?
Trust me, I didn't mean to, you know. I was just enjoying the physics a lot. Number तो अपने आप आ गए.
That is right. If you really enjoy something, you can do well.
Bullshit. Without a proper aim, ऐसे aimlessly घूमते रहे ना सारे लोग तो हो गया काम.
But there are other important things in life,
Oh
Gauri.
yeah, like what?
Like family.
If family was so important, what the hell are you doing here? Should have just gone to IIT Patna.
Oi, Gauri, relax. Kalki is right. You're also right. I'm the only one who's wrong. ठीक है?
You rich guys have no idea what life is all about.
Oi, listen. What is this playlist here? You like Pink Floyd, na? Put some of that.
Listen, this is the music I like. If you don't like,
Listen यार. Eventually ना, it's all about, you know, yeah, like, you know, if, lol, I don't know what I'm saying, yeah. सही है?
Thanks, man. Hey, Gauri.
Leave us kids alone. हाँ हाँ.
Go put the other chair back in the pantry.
I like what you said to Jacob the other day.
When?
The other day when we were having that tasteless wine.
You were listening?
Arey, I don't get into these stupid fights and all, but my ears are always open. You know, when he said that hard work is very important, I got maza. aa gaya. Because without money, na, there's no point only, man.
Yeah.
You were damn pissed off at him, no?
I was.
Arey, don't worry about him. He's a big idiot.
I know, right?
What?
What did you do at ragging? No, you have to tell me.
What do you know?
Everything. You have to show me.
Arey, there's nothing to show, yaar.
Show me, pussy.
Arey, it's the same shit they do everywhere, man.
But I heard you excel.
Who told you?
Show me.
Arey, cover no, yaar. Arey.
I don't have friends here. I don't like any of the assholes here. I don't like Jacob.
I like you.
Thanks.
Do you want to be my girlfriend? I'll beat up Jacob for you. Actually, I can't. But I'll help you run really fast.
You're so funny.
So?
Yes. Now get out, I have to study.
Arey, but...
Get out.
Gauri, come on, listen.
Get out.
Arey, yaar.
Mom isn't picking up my phone. What do I do? Listen, asshole. Go to your own room and connect with others, okay?
कुछ दिखा रहा हूँ ना मेरी माँ. जा. This is him. Come, see. अरे देखना यार. when she was 12. Jacob told me. Amazing, right?
How does he know?
Arey, this guy is Jacob's best friend, na? So
Dude.
obviously Kalki told him, yeah. Stupid questions you ask, ek to. Kalki was basically telling Jacob कि he shouldn't be rude to you and not to be rude to girls in general. Then he got really pissed and said something really bad जिस पे ना Kalki.
What did he say?
That and all I don't know यार. But you know Jacob ना सारा कुछ भी बोल देता है. Kalki started crying एकदम full flow में. Then he said sorry to her and then she told him.
But why Jacob?
यार अपने boyfriend को नहीं बताएगी तो किसको बताएगी?
They're dating?
ये लो. For 2 weeks already मचा. कहाँ रहती है यार तू?
And this guy?
Oh, he's Kalki's dad's cousin or something. The whole family went to Shimla for a vacation and he was also there. Kalki's parents left her with him and went out for a walk. Then this guy decides to have a little party and like raped her.
She was 12?
She was 12.
She was 12. I didn't know.
You have enough problems of your own.
For once, can you just give me a bloody break?
Yeah, Gauri. She thinks that her family is happy, so she doesn't want to break the balance, na?
So stupid.
Jacob यही कह रहा था यार. कहता है she should have told her parents and put him in jail.
Exactly.
What exactly? It's not as easy as that, yeah. Sometimes you just have to go with the times and deal with it.
Mayank, do you actually know what rape means?
How would I know, yaar? I'm a guy. Come on.
So no, guys can't get raped?
Of course they can, but they just don't mind. You know what I mean, right?
Not everything is a joke, Mayank.
Not everything is so serious, Gauri.
This is.
Not for me.
You're a douchebag, you know that?
Yeah, you're talking as if I raped her, yaar. Chill.
Please, just stop.
नहीं, problem क्या है? एक तो यहाँ आके तुझे gossip बताओ, ऊपर से तेरी बकवास सुनो. Do you need to smoke or something?
What does smoking have to do with this?
नहीं, बस और मार सुट्टा यार, अपना तुझसे ढंग से बात भी नहीं की जाती. That bloody Jacob is also like that. You two are addicted, man. Bloody addicts you are. तू यहीं बैठी रहे. I'm going out with some guys. You should be so grateful that I keep telling you everything. नहीं तो मेरे बिना you won't know any gossip at all, ठीक है? Okay, चल bye. Watching जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा. तू यहाँ बैठ के बजा गिटार. यार, तू show some passion यार. कुछ कर. Follow your heart.
Follow your heart. Boyfriend है या बाप है? हाँ कल की नहीं यार I'm okay बस पता नहीं क्यों yeah thank you no don't worry I'm fine हाँ I don't want to talk to him यार yeah true okay fine I'll call him tomorrow okay चलो then good night Please, just talk to her.
No.
What do you mean, no? She's not taking my calls either. What's going on?
Nothing. She'll call you when she wants to. Now tell me about your studies.
Dad!
I'm going to tell you something. Sorry.
About time too, Dad.
Your mother hasn't been taking your calls because she thinks I should tell you something.
And what is that?
Your grandmother died the week after you left for Singapore.
The week after I left?
Yes.
Why didn't you tell me?
I and your mother decided.
Don't bring Mummy into this!
Fine. I decided that it was best to give you some time to settle down. You had enough on your plate.
Dadiji died? And you thought I should get used to Singapore first?
It's not as simple as that. The first few weeks of college determine how well you're going to do for the whole of 4 years.
Dadiji died and you didn't tell me for 2 whole months!
It determines how you end up doing for the whole of 4 years. Friends you make, how quickly you figure out the system, how well you adapt and learn, and then start your academic career. And let's not forget, how well you do in college will determine how well you do later on. You need to focus on your work there. You really need to pay attention. That's why, I mean, it's very important. I couldn't afford to, because it's important for you to keep focused now. Keep working hard now.
How's Dadaji?
He's fine. Don't worry about him. Don't get distracted from your goals in life. These things will happen. Everyone has to go eventually. And this is no reason.
Best was winters. धूप जब निकलती थी ना, हम सब बाहर बैठते थे. Dadi on the chair, me on the floor. And she would put oil in my hair. Oh my god. It was the most amazing thing ever. 2 whole hours, सिर्फ तेल लग रहा है. He could have just told me.
Or maybe he didn't want you to have that on your mind.
It was my dadi, yaar. I would want that on my mind.
हाँ, पर उनको लग रहा होगा सब ठीक चल रहा है, right? So why break the balance?
Listen, keep your balanced philosophy to yourself, okay? तेरे केस में चल गया होगा, but this is about death.
What are you talking about?
I know about you.
About what?
About
What?
Jacob told Mayank and Mayank told me.
Did you tell anyone?
I don't talk to anyone else.
I've never talked about this to anyone, and no one in my family knows. If I told my parents, my father would have killed.
For you it was different, yaar. This is about death.
I died too, Gauri. Your grandfather? How's he?
I talked to him yesterday. Took me 2 whole days to just get the guts to call him. It was like, have you ever been to a rock concert? So you know the feeling, right? चिल्ला चिल्ला के मतलब you lose your voice completely. आवाज नहीं है पर फिर भी जोर जोर से बातें करनी है. दादाजी sounded like आवाज भी गई और अब बात करने का मन भी नहीं रहा. First time I felt like he didn't want to talk to me.
You should talk to him more, Gauri.
Arey, what will I talk about? He'll also die soon. The more I talk, the worse it will be. Better है अभी से ही दूर रहो.
Arey, but that's just not the...
All this attachment business is bullshit, yaar.
But love is important, na.
You know what he was mumbling? At her cremation, Mum told me, he kept saying, आज तक मुझे अकेला नहीं छोड़ा, अब क्यों छोड़ दिया? Who says that, man? Bullshit love is important.
येलो जी. Gauri, what happened to your guitar, by the way?
I didn't have one.
Of course you did, yaar. I remember so clearly. Sometime around midterm week, I think, है ना?
You've been here a million times after that also. Did you see a guitar here?
Oh, good point. अच्छा तो तूने अपना गिटार फिर जेकब को दिया होगा, है ना?
No, dude. I don't own one.
यार, then you should. You were playing so well the last time I heard you.
I wasn't playing anything. I was just...
अरे गौरी, why are you still so sad, यार? सुन, कुछ चीजें होती हैं, you just have to deal with it and move on. मतलब it has been more than a week and whenever I come to your room, you're always in this mood.
In what mood?
This mood, देख अपने आप को जाके. Listen, Gauri. All you need to do is channel your sadness and start working hard. Exams आ रहे हैं यार, कैप अच्छी लानी है कि नहीं?
Did you just say I should channel my sadness?
Yes, and I'll say it again. इतने मुश्किल मॉड्स हैं यार, तू पढ़ना शुरू कर दे. एग्जाम सामने आ रहे.
You are hereby dumped.
What?
Get out of my room.
Yeah, what did I say, यार?
It's not you, it's me.
Yeah, all I was saying, Gauri, कि you should channel your sadness and start studying.
That's the door.
यार, Gauri, लेकिन.
Meg, get out of my room or I'll call campus security.
अच्छा, चल ठीक है. We'll talk about it once you're done PMSing. हाँ?
Out. Don't need anybody, Gauri. Hey Priyanka, happy birthday yaar. Tonight is a party, okay? No yaar, I have no idea where we can go. Haan, okay, sure, sounds great. Let's leave at like 9. Okay, see you.
So, how to get an A in my module? I can tell you one thing, if you haven't yet started studying, then still not too late.
One flaming Lamborghini, please.
He was all over the girl, man.
I swear it's so freaking mushy, dude.
I know. Hate this mushy shit. Careful, careful. But आधी रात में they disappeared.
So, Gauri, your dad should do just what?
Not my daddy, my mummy should.
What is that?
She should divorce him. Like now. Let's go to Clarky now.
Okay.
Maybe I'll call. Where's my phone? You want to steal my phone? Take it.
Yeah, Kalki. You thief.
You thief.
Give us some water. Huh?
That Mayank is also a big asshole. Where's the water? Now, Kalki, my phone, please.
Gauri, you can call them tomorrow, okay?
Exams. Dadaji, talk now.
You sleep, okay? It'll be fine. Just sleep. Yeah? Oh, you're so sweet, Jacob.
Kalki, please shut up.
What am I doing? How's he?
He's fine. We don't need to worry.
I tried to call him yesterday, but
He had a fever, so he didn't take any calls. I told you. When are your exams starting?
still 2 weeks to go.
पढ़ लेना बेटा. That's what you're there for. It is the only thing you have to think about. Remember what Dadaji always told you. A man without a goal is like a boat without a sail.
Yeah. और उनका वो शेर आपको याद है?
कौन सा?
वही जब से चलाओ मंजिल पे नजर है,
हाँ.
इन आँखों ने कभी मील का
मील
पत्थर
का
नहीं
पत्थर
कहा.
नहीं थे.
Can you call him to your room?
He doesn't come upstairs. You know that.
Then can you take the laptop down?
No.
What? Why?
The Wi-Fi isn't working.
I really want to see him, Papa.
You can't right now.
Okay, I'll call him. Dad? Dad, it says the number is out of service. Dad, what's happening? Papa, what is this?
बेटा, दादाजी,
Yes.
he passed away last week.
How?
अकेले हो गए थे. He just didn't wake up that morning.
When was this?
Last Friday.
6 days ago.
Yes.
And you didn't tell me because?
Your exams were.
I'll talk to you later, Papa. लो जी.
Thanks, Ab.
No problem.
Actually, all the others needed this. Right now, you're the only one done studying, so yeah.
That's okay. Just bring it back one day before the exam.
हाँ पक्का.
Okay then. See you.
Thanks, Ab.
I'm gonna forget all of this after tomorrow.
As long as you remember it tomorrow.
You sure?
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, my younger sister qualified for NTSC.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, my parents are so happy.
Nice. Do you have any siblings, Jacob?
No, it's just me.
So you kind of have to run your father's factory.
No, I can do whatever I want to.
Which is?
I want to run the family business. I mean, it's good to stay close to the family, na? Stay close where you know everyone. यहाँ पे क्या रखा है यार?
So you want to stay with your family?
Then why aren't you going back home for the holidays? Here we go.
What? I thought you said it was okay.
Not me, him. खोल पता चल जाएगा.
Hi guys.
How do you get in?
Arey, the fire escape was open, so I just sneaked in. Oh, there was this girl outside in a towel. भैंचो फट गई बेचारी की. Your room looks so different, यार. गौरी, सारी चीजें कहाँ गई? What? Threw them away. अरे posters तो मुझे दे देती यार.
Maya, you're leaving tomorrow, right?
Yeah. अरे no wine today?
No.
We are going later though. Clarky. चलना है?
सुबह सुबह flight है यार. Cannot. कल की तू कब जा रही है?
I'm here for another 2 days. It's Rahul's birthday, so I thought I'd stay back and wish him.
तू गौरी?
A flight day after tomorrow.
Do you need help packing?
हाँ, thanks, man.
Sure you don't wanna come, na?
Come, no, it'll be so much fun.
Gauri also come, na?
नहीं यार, you guys have fun. I've got to settle some stuff.
Mayank classes, beta. They're ready to go.
अच्छा ठीक है, I'll come, but I'll come back early यार.
Yeah, dude, stop calling. We're coming. Chal, Gauri. We'll see you next semester. Bye bye.
Chal, I'll see you day after tomorrow, okay?
बाय गौरी, महीने बाद मिलते हैं फिर, ठीक है? बी प्रोडक्टिव इन द हॉलीडेज.
Tomorrow morning 9 a.m.
And how long?
Normally 8 hours a day.
Okay. Work hard.
Yep.
When does it end?
Have to submit a report at the end of the internship. That's due on 2nd January.
The whole month.
Yeah.
But then तो college दोबारा start हो जाएगा, right?
Yeah.
And come home for a week over New Year's, बेटा. Report जल्दी खत्म कर देना.
I won't be able to, Dad. I have all my subject planning to do in that 1 week. So.
Yes, I know. But good then. I am happy that you are so focused. Results 21st को है ना?
Yeah.
So, good. Looking forward to it. Would have been better if you could have come home, but ठीक है. This is important.
Yes, Papa.
Okay. I have to go now. Take care of yourself.
Do you want the other bag?
No, I actually don't have that much baggage.